Okay, so hi guys. This is my entry for Porsche's AgentHack 2025, and I built a productivity tool called Day. So Day helps boost your productivity, organize your busy day, schedule plan, and create tailored actions for you. So with Day, you can get Slack notifications, save notes to Notion, browse for extra use, organize your emails, stay in sync with your day, collaborate with others. So you let's just get started. So you can sign up and sign in, right? Let me shift this here. So since we already have an account, we're going to you know we are going to log in. So this is a live sign in, so it does create an account for you and it does sign you in. So we have the chat where you can tell Tay what to do, and then we have tasks. So as you can see, I already have a bunch of tasks here that I tested out. But in case to let's just create a new task. AgentHack 2027. So we say send an email to I will put the time of day. So every 15 minutes by 12:15 of every day. So this is the server. As you can see, we have created, let me move this up here. So we are using a free instance, by the way, but as you can see, we have um created a task, and as you can see, we have a fast API cruns scheduler that helps with creating and running the task every day. So if you click on it, you should see, this is the action. Once it creates an action, you see here, this is the prompt every day at you know 12:15. So that is for tasks. Then in the chart, okay, but first, to save time, I'm just going to copy this, right, and then go to charts and paste this here. So with this place, you can basically tell Tay what you want it to do for you. So let's send an email to one of my email addresses saying I am a great dev. So on the back end, you can see, yeah, it does throw this error a lot. I don't know how to fix it, and I have raised it up with the team. So it does throw this error a lot, but let's just refresh and try it one more time, right? So chances are it will throw the error again, but most of the time, if it doesn't, then it usually shows you a flow. It usually shows you a flow. So it also threw the same error. So I can't really show you how it's supposed to work on my on the previous video I made, the original video. You should see what it will give you when it works fine, but for now it just keeps on throwing errors, and I don't necessarily think there is a way to resolve this. But yeah, this is the basically save. We can send emails and all that. For now, that is the function that we have done here. So if I go to the code, so this is basically code for the backend for the server. So you can see we're using a thread to pass server events for the front end to see. It works, by the way. Although we were able to get clarifications to work, I also raised it with the team. So as you can see, we are running on step start and before the plan. So these are the clarifications, and we're trying to make the clarifications work, but it doesn't work. But other things work, but clarifications just don't work. Just doesn't work, So I've read the issue with the team. We created a custom web clarification handler to handle clarifications and everything, but it still has issues. But so far so good. Yeah, that's what I built. We'll just test it one last time, just to you know just to see if it will work. I know I've already passed the time, but you can hopefully this gives you a little bit of insight into yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. If I say, could you send an email to, I'm aiming to stop the video at the 6 minute mark, just so that it has a lot of weight to it, right? Oh, okay, it worked this time. I think it worked this time because now yeah, it worked. So basically, okay, so you can see sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So it's to send an email to so and so, pending finished email states the email was sent to, um, showing that you're a great dev. So I could show you my email, but to put it on a better side, I will show the plan run. I will show the plan run, and on the plan run, you should see, yeah. So this so and so time, which is the same time that we are on now. So 10:51. That's correct. So sent the email with ID, this and this. So it works. So it does work. Let me push this down. We can see the plan and all of that. So at least we know it works. Some of them works as well. Like creating a Notion doc, saying I'm a good person. Let's actually try that and see if it works this time. So let's try that. So let's create a Notion doc. I will shift this up here just to be, yeah. So okay. So my guess it shows this error. Um, yeah, but generally this is what they helps you do. So there are a lot more. There'll be a lot more features added. A lot of fixes as well, so far as UI is concerned. But basically, this is what um you can do with Tay to help you organize your day, your schedule, everything. So later down the line, future iterations may include doing it on your own, maybe anytime you open Tay and something like that. But yeah, this concludes my hackathon presentation. Thank you.